Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the previous subscribers and also to the new subscribers. And today we are just tapping into what you can expect in coming few days or few weeks. So it's not a pick a card reading or pick a group reading, but we will be tapping into the aspects of health, wealth, that is your career, profession or money aspect, as well as with the love aspect. So let us directly dive into your first aspect, that is your health. So let's see, I have already shuffled the cards, and let's see what is showing up, what you can expect in coming few days. Okay. So immediately what I am seeing that you are completing a huge cycle of indecisiveness, transformation and stress. So what I'm seeing here, from few days back, you might have been in a very difficult situation that might have given you stress, that might have given you sleepless nights, and big transformation that you might be that you might have experienced. And it could be um, emotional transformation, it could be also health wise. Maybe you might not have been keeping well, and finally you are getting out of that cycle, you are completing one cycle, and now you are entering, or you can expect a very good health or improvement in your current health. So your okay, it's glare, please excuse me for this glare. If you can see this card, it says higher power. So in your situation there could be a divine intervention, and you might experience a miraculous healing with regards to your health. It could be with regards to your physical health, mental stability, emotional health. And also the advice that is coming for you is be willing to forgive. Ask your angels to clear your mind and body of past pain and exchange for peacefulness. So your situation might be involving many other people in that, which has taken a toll on your health, on your physical, mental, emotional health. So it is advised that the more you forgive yourself, the more you forgive the people involved, that will help you in restoring your health. So I just hope this helped, and with the upcoming days or upcoming weeks, you can see an amazing transformation into your health sector. Yeah, so next let's dive into your career, money and professional aspect. So immediately what I am seeing here is you are coming into a fine partnership. Maybe you could be planning to start up a new business, a new venture, or you might be um, planning to change your job, or you might be planning to have new ways into your current job, current profession and stuff like that. So you can expect an amazing partnership which will be which will give you more stability, which will give you more power in that particular profession or work that you are looking for. And I'm also seeing that you can expect an amazing support from your family, or from the people who are concerned into your situation. So no place like home. Yes. So again, no place like home is the indication of stability, of groundedness, of protection. And you can expect this with regards to your money, with regards to your career and profession. So like since few days you might have experienced certain instability, indecisions and stuff like that, and it might have given you certain emotional turmoils and all that is coming to closure, all that is coming to completion, and you are entering into an amazing phase of partnership support and you know new kind of experience which will give you more stability, which will give you more grounding with regards to your um, profession and money. Yeah. So this was all about your career, profession, and uh, money aspect. So the guidance that I see is, if you start mm paying attention towards your emotions, towards your heart, the answer that you seek is in your heart right now. Be open to giving and receiving love. So if we are connecting this with regards to your career and profession, you might be getting too much into your head space. So the guidance is coming to pull your energy into your heart space, to understand what your emotions are trying to tell you. The more you are emotionally sound, the more you are emotionally balanced, you will start finding the same balance into your external world. Yeah, hope this helps. And let us dive into the third aspect, that is your love romance aspect. So, okay. So, at very first, what I'm seeing is new love. So, many of you who are watching this, you might be single and you are ready and you are willing to for, to put yourself in a new relationship. And also, if you are already in a relationship or in a committed relationship, there are high chances for you to rekindle your relationship or to find that deeper commitment with your partner, and you have actually manifested this relationship that you are that you will be entering. So in coming up days, in few days or few weeks, you are entering into a new phase of your love cycle. So it could be a brand new love, it could be, if you are already in a relationship, um, your bond is deepening with your partner. So the guidance that is coming is cut your cords with the toxic energy. So if you are still waiting on someone who you know that that person is not for you, it is advised that cut the energetic cords with that person, because you are obstructing this new love with that toxic energy. So the faster you are able to cleanse yourself from that toxic energy. And also with regards to the present person, for example, if you are in a committed relationship, the this card is telling you to release the toxic energy with the present relationship. If you might be holding any kind of anger, resentment, or any certain lower vibrational energies with yourself, with your person, between the relationship, it is time to release this energy, so that you can experience this new kind of energy into your existing relationship. And also it will help you to it will help you to attract the new love that you are seeking. And again, this is the advice that is coming, that is poised. So poised is the card when you have everything that you want, and you are experiencing that inner contentness about yourself, and that is how it gets reflected in your external. So this is like becoming extremely fulfilled, extremely happy with your own self, completely in that phase of self love. And this is like literally, if you can see this card, it is the poised feeling that you will be entering soon. So do your inner work and just let me know what experiences you will have in coming up days and coming up weeks. So if you want to book a personal reading, you can always do that. I will be putting the contact details in description box below, and I would really love to have feedback from you. And also you can DM me with regards to tarot readings, as well as with different kinds of healings that I do. Yeah, so you have a nice time, and God bless you. Thank you.